Tell me about this ale, Zoe. Zoe, from Rivendell. She must acquire. I heard it's a very fine ale. Not quite sure, though, of the origin. Tell me about this ale. From that way? Many hills? Many moons that way.
That's where it's at.
Good
That
ale.
way.
He said that way. Oh, that's a cool tree. She's saying it's that way. Honestly, who knows? She does. She knows where the good ale is. Oh, the good ale. Dog's honestly oblivious. The only thing she's good at is getting squirrels and finding gold. She actually can freaking find it. I don't know how. She'll start digging in a hole. I won't find nothing. And I'll pan the hole she's digging and find something. A couple colors. Crazy. Fat. Beautiful. Gold finding dog. Zoe. Also known as Potato. She's as fat as Potato. Plump and stuff. One good thing, she's fat enough. If we ever get lost and are starving out here, we got a fat dog we could eat. Just kidding. I wouldn't eat my dog. I'd kill something for her so she could eat it before I'd eat. There's this guy, Anxious. I've actually fought off a cougar for that dog. Little brown butthole looking at you. If you look hard enough, she might even wink it at you. He doesn't like my dog jokes. He's too sensitive.
You didn't fight a cougar off, so there.
Yes, I did.
No, you
He was trying to eat your fucking dog. Then you got up there and panicked over one day. One night. Womp, 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 womp. I dealt with that shit for
That
10
one
days.
night You slept in the car, if I remember.
Fuck yeah. Yes, I did. Because I was trapped in a tent with no vehicle, dropped off in the middle of nowhere with a cougar. Good times. I had a slingshot and a stick. Flashlight, too. And this fool took a few extra freaking days getting to me. Apartments and legalities. Gosh. We're gonna go run this dirt stuff, though. I gotta get a beer. Pet the dog. And take that, too. We're gonna run that after the main run. The main test run. I just don't want to panic.